So guys, it's raining. And we are here in raining, guys, raining. And we are we, we are here in this restaurant right there. So that's the restaurant we order our food. So that that the restaurant, guys, that we order our food here, and it's raining. It's raining and across the street are Taco Bells. So, and we got a lots of people here. They're cooking right there. Hmm? Oh, it's right there. Oh. Early in the pocket na. So, sorry. So that it's raining too. Like they are in the restaurant right there. So it's raining and we are already had our order. So we are our order, guys, because we don't have time to eat, and we are in going out now. Thank you, guys. Raining, raining. Are we gonna grab our food here? We're gonna eat here?
I mean, the table's full.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Tables at the movie theaters, bro. If you want to do that, and you watch it in the rain. Okay.
I don't know, not grab your mine. Mine, they don't have a mine. No no beans. Mine.
That's it.
But what about that?
I know it because it's already labeled, Mom.
Oh. Thank you, guys. Shout out sa aking mga minamahal na mga subscribers, sa viewers, mga viewers, kaibigan, matindi, mega love, shout out po. At sa lahat-lahat ng sumusuporta ng aking channel, thank you so much. At nandito na po yung aming order na burrito. Mamaya na ako kakain na sa sa car. I'm gonna eat mine in the car. Okay.
Just eat at the tables at the theater.
Okay. Okay, bye-bye, guys. Thank you, guys. I'm gonna go and eat my food. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye-bye. Oh. There you go, guys. The ambulance. Patrick, so like that. Look at that ambulance. There you go. Ambulance is right there. Walang car siya. So, thank you, guys. Shout out sa aking mga minahal there. Thank you so much. There's our food. It's the burritos. And here's my stuff here. Bye-bye. Shout out. Thank you. Bye.